If you're looking for your own slice of heaven, maybe a 3-2 home with around 2,000 square feet, maybe some water view, and maybe a nice outbuilding, well, look, you've got to check out 38333 Lang Lois here in Leesburg, about 5 miles north of the fairgrounds, just outside of Eustis. Come on, let's take a look. So that concludes our tour of this beautiful home here today. If you have additional questions about this home or any other home in the area, simply pick up the phone and give me a call. Thanks for watching.